Good morning, everyone. This morning we're going to be making Amish baked oatmeal. What a better way to enjoy a crisp fall morning than to have something nice and hearty such as this. So what all goes into Amish baked oatmeal? 1.5 cups quick cooking oats, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 cup milk, 1/4 cup butter melted, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and then serve it with warm milk, fresh fruit, and or brown sugar, and this is optional. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. So get a big bowl and add the first 8 ingredients. 1.5 cups quick cooking oats, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 cup milk, 1/4 cup butter melted, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Then go ahead and mix that all together. Now the recipe calls for a 9x13 pan, but I just don't think there's enough oatmeal to fill that, so I am going to go ahead and use a 9x9. I may regret it, I don't know, we'll find out. Go ahead and grease that with either butter or use nonstick cooking spray. Go ahead and put your oatmeal into the pan. And spread it out evenly. And put it into a 350-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes until the edges are golden brown. Alright, so the Amish baked oatmeal just came out of the oven. We'll dish it up and let my husband give it a taste test. So here is the Amish baked oatmeal served with blackberries and blueberries and warm milk.
This is good. It's actually, wouldn't call it crunchy, but it's got a lot of texture to it. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.